Welcome to my channel Creative Product Review. Here are the top 5 wall detector scanner. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Wall Detector Scanner. The Milisa WD10 Multifunction Wall Detector is a reliable and easy-to-use tool for home and professional projects. Its large area sensor helps quickly detect metal, non-metal, and AC wires with solid accuracy. The LCD display is clear, and the audible beep makes locating hidden objects even easier. The device feels sturdy, responds fast, and reduces guesswork when drilling or renovating. Overall, it's a practical, efficient, and budget-friendly scanner for safe and confident wall inspections. Number 2. Wall Detector Scanner. The 6-in-1 Stud Finder Wall Scanner is a reliable, multifunctional tool perfect for home improvement and professional use. It accurately detects AC wires, wood studs, metal pipes, and other hidden materials, helping prevent costly drilling mistakes. The scanner provides quick readings with clear indicators, making it easy to use even for beginners. Its compact design and straightforward interface add convenience. Overall, it's a practical, efficient, and affordable wall detection tool for safe and precise measurements. Number 3. Wall Detector Scanner. The Noyafa NF513 Wall Scanner is a reliable and user-friendly tool for detecting metal, wood studs, pipelines, and live AC wires. Its positioning hole is a great addition, making marking exact spots much easier. The scanner provides clear readings and helps avoid accidental drilling mistakes, especially during home renovation. The build quality feels solid, and the alerts are accurate enough for both DE users and professionals. Overall, a handy and efficient wall detector for safe, precise scanning. Number 4. Wall Detector Scanner. The Noyafa NF517 Wall Detector is a versatile tool combining a wall scanner, laser rangefinder, and digital level in one device. It accurately detects metal, wood studs, AC live wires, and copper pipes, making it ideal for construction and home renovation. The laser distance measurement is fast and reliable, while the clear display ensures easy readings. Its sturdy build and intuitive controls make operation smooth. Overall, it's a dependable, multifunction scanner that enhances safety and precision for DE users and professionals alike. Number 5. Wall Detector Scanner. The multifunctional 4-in-1 wall scanning detector set is a versatile handheld tool for detecting metal, rebar, wires, pipelines, and wood inside walls. Its intuitive interface and clear LCD display make scanning simple and precise. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's comfortable for extended use, while its multifunctional sensors ensure accurate detection across various wall materials. Ideal for DE enthusiasts and professionals alike, this detector saves time and reduces guesswork during construction or renovation projects. Reliable, efficient, and easy to operate. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.